Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will show you another advanced sketching tool in Solidworks. Now this one is called dynamic mirror, and to utilize this I will show you my sketch. If you have a sketch which is symmetrical to one of the center lines, you can utilize a dynamic mirror to create this very easily. So to show this to you, I'll go for a new part. Okay, and let's start with the sketch on the front plane. I will start with some center line point from this, and let's do another line which is vertical. Like now we have the center line, so we can go to tools, sketch tools, and let's go for dynamic. So it will ask you to select the sketch line or anything to mirror about. So I will say this is my this to be mirrored about, and then let's start with the sketch. So I can do arc, scope, scope. Okay, let's do a few more lines. Right, so you can easily see that very quickly we have created this sketch using the dynamic mirror. Now you can always go for smart dimension, give your parts or sketches the required dimension, and if you want you can modify the sketches also. Tangent, these are already tangent. Let's go. You have to keep the center line on this axis and you can pretty much modify. Now this was just to show you how you can pretty much utilize the dynamic mirror. You can see if I show you sketch, this is my sketch with all the required dimension, and very quickly you can do sketch like. So that's it for dynamic mirror. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts with this one, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.